Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today I want to do my camera review on the brand new Huawei Mate 20 Lite. So there are 4 cameras on here. Yes, there are 4 cameras. There's 2 on the front and there's also 2 on the rear. I just turn around to the back. You can see 2 cameras, so 4 cameras in total. First ever device I've ever tested that's had 4 cameras. So let's see how well they do. One thing I want to point out is the display you're going to view your images and your videos on. So this is using Huawei's new full view display 2.0. It's a 6.3-inch full HD plus display as well, so your images are going to look crisp and clear to view and enjoy. So as I'm going through my review, you're going to see some images pop up from I've taken through gaming show at the EGX, and I went to London as well and took some videos and photographs of famous landmarks and just seeing how well it performed. There's 3 different ways of getting into your camera. So you have your simple application down here at the bottom. You can touch, jump into your camera, and that's your camera there. When your phone is on the lock screen, you have your camera here, just swipe up. Again, you're into your camera. Then also when the phone is actually off like this, you can double tap the volume down and it will take a photograph straight away for you without your phone actually being unlocked, which is really great feature. All 4 cameras on this device have AI, and thanks to EMUI 8.2, AI is across the board on this device, enhancing your gallery, enhancing your cameras, also the gaming suite. But today, focusing on cameras, AI is here in depth and can really help as well. So with these 4 cameras, you can capture immersive photographs with high clarity and great bokeh effects. So there are bokeh effects on here. There's also loads of different fun things on here to use as well. Moving on to the camera lenses itself, let's have a look at the front-facing cameras first of all. So your selfie cameras for them great shots with friends or family, or if you're taking a great selfie in great locations like I have done as well. So the front-facing cameras are built into the notch display here, and it's great that we have 2 on them. So on the left-hand side is a 24 megapixel RGB fusion pixel, which is an f2.0 aperture, and next to that on the right-hand side is a 2 megapixel depth camera. So this will give you your bokeh effects and also great lighting as well, 3D lighting experiences on this device. So you've got AI built in here for selfie experiences. You've also got fun selfies with 3D Q emojis. Inside the front camera as well as the rear camera, you do have AI scenery recognition to auto detect where and what you are taking photographs of, which helps when it comes to the gallery because it can categorize it for you in so many different options when we take a look later on. One great feature you're going to find in the camera application is 3D portrait lighting. There's 5 different options to choose from. It seems to offer a great tone of lighting, changing just slightly to offer different pictures with different modes. So you can change and adjust these to take your selfies and enjoy different lighting and different effects for different areas. Of course, you have the bokeh effect as well to change that background blur. So with this device, it lets you have some fun as well. So you do have something called 3D Q emoji, which is a range of fun characters that move with your facial features. So you can really twist your face and have some fun with it. And you can change them into a fun GIF as well that you can share with friends. Taking a look at the rear of our device now, we have our dual cameras on the back here. So the top one is a 20 megapixel RGB lens. This has an aperture of f1.8. Underneath that is a 2 megapixel depth lens. This means you can have fun with the bokeh effects and also great other options like 3D portrait lighting and other features in here to make your photos really stand out. So this device offers master in AI photography, so you're going to get great features all thanks to the AI built into the display and the brand new Kirin 710 chip on board. One other great feature on this device is AI assisted composition. It will allow you to get the best shot possible without anyone being blurred out or someone not looking at your camera. The AI can actually help you here take a more better shot. So AI will master 22 different scenes, will try and capture 500 different objects, and it will tell you as well what you're looking at. Moving into the gallery application, AI is in here as well, giving you options to help search for your memories. So you can search by time, people, places, things, or objects, which is really good, and it tries to be as accurate as possible. So this device has a smart shopping experience thanks to Amazon. So we'll use Amazon UK here only, but if you either take a photograph or touch and hold on a photograph, which I'll show you as well, it should load up any products that Amazon are selling, similar or the same too. Once you're in your camera application here, if you see the top icon on the left hand side, press this. It's going to lift it up so it can see the product. It's going to do a funny little shimmer over the device. and the Amazon store is loading, and there we go. So it's loading up other products for me that I can see then, and if there's one matching, I could buy straight away, making it quick, simple and very easy to do, which is a great option to have on here, especially for myself being visually impaired. It adds that extra feature of using a camera and not searching through a store. If we just move into the gallery, there is also another option to do this smart shopping experience. That is by double touching on a photograph. So if you put 2 thumbs down, you see this funny halo effect happen. The Amazon store is loading again. There we go. Assassin's Creed Odyssey, it's found it straight away, giving me options for Xbox One, for the PlayStation, and also PC and other features here as well. Great experience, very easy to do. So let's swipe up and actually go into our camera application here. So it's a nice simple layout, which is really good to see. I'm pleased that they have kept it this way as well, which we've seen on other devices. So along the bottom, you've got your camera shutter button. You can also use your volume keys as well. You can change the different things that they can do. So they can zoom and they can also focus as well for you, as well as taking your photographs. So you can pick and choose that again in the settings. So you have your main shutter, you have your gallery where all your photographs are, and also you have the ability to switch cameras to the 2 cameras on the front there. There I am. Along the bottom, if we go to the right hand side, you've got video. So inside video here, you can record at full 1080p. Recording at 60 frames per second. The settings have slightly changed inside here. So at the top you've got the beauty mode option there, and then also your flash. Go into settings and then go into video here. And inside here you can see a range of different settings that you can pick and choose from video format. And again, you've got compatibility and then efficiency file format options come out. Then you have a list of different options down inside here. You can pick, choose and adjust to make your videos look as good as they can. I always suggest putting a GPS on because I like to know where I've taken my videos as well. After video, you have more. So inside here, you have a whole range of different features. So some options I just want to point out here. You have your pro mode, you also have your time lapse, you also have slow motion, you have 3D panographic, which is a great option here. And down here at the bottom, you also have ability to download more as well. So you can download more features to use with your camera. So it's always changing. So you've got the food one there. So if you're a fan of taking food for Instagram, that would be the option for you. So coming back through to the middle, we've got photographs. Moving on, then you have the portrait. So inside here, you have 3D portrait lighting options. So if you click this button in the middle here, you've got 5 different options to talk about. So you have soft lighting, butterfly lighting, split lighting, stage lighting, and then classic lighting as well. So it's great that you have them options there. Then also you have your bokeh effect there, where you can change the blur in the background. You can also do this though after the photograph is taken. Moving along is the AR fun. This is where you can have some real fun here. So this will turn around to the front facing camera and you can see my eyes are moving, my head's moving. You can have some real fun with this. As I said, you can make a gift to send to your friends. The choice is yours, what you want to do. So a big puffer fish, like a wolf I think it is, pussycat, a rabbit. The rabbit looks a little bit mean. And then finally you have a little robot as well. So you can change and adjust your motions, you can move, you can close your eyes, you can wink, you can do all sorts, and it does recognize majority of the time. Press this button here and it's going to try and overlay on your actual head. That looks kind of cool. We can jump back here to the... And it looks awesome. I like this. This is fun. Then along the top you have effects that you could do. You could do different effects if you wanted to do different effects here. Makes it a little bit funky. Then you have backgrounds as well. This will change and adjust the backgrounds for you. Then you have 3D objects. And as you can see, we've got 3D objects now available on here. I will take a better position video for you. So there's loads of fun to have with this device. And finally, moving along is your aperture choice here. You can change and adjust your aperture. There is a slider provided. So if we go back to photographs in the middle, so inside photographs, you do have a zoom effect as well. I didn't actually zoom in that much. It seemed to be a little bit blurred and a little bit distorted, which was a shame, but otherwise the AI photographs have come out really well. So as I discussed, along the top, you've got your smart shopping experience there. You then have your flash. You've also got then your moving pictures or live photograph option here. You have your AI here, so switch on AI and then you're in your AI powered option here. I've been using this majority of the time, and when it detects a scene that it knows, it will tell you in a text box here and you can see what it has detected, and majority of the time this is accurate and correct. Then finally you have your settings. So inside settings here you have a wide array of options inside here. A couple of ones I just want to point out is your resolution. So you've got your resolution inside here, which you can change and adjust. When AI is on, this will be dismissed as you can't change this as AI takes over. Coming on down, you have grid options, you have timer, you have all different options inside here to change and adjust to make this camera the way you want to make it, which I think is great to see. If you do have any questions or queries about this device and its camera mode or any other questions, please do let me know. I'd be more than happy to help. Thanks always for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up as it does help. Remember, subscribe and also ring that notification bell to get all my latest videos. And for me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.